Hello, super writers, and welcome back to your writing job for this week. Today, our target skill is going to be, I can write an informational letter. Today, you are going to take your sentences that you planned yesterday and turn them into an informational letter to a friend. How we are going to do that is first decide, who should I write my letter to? This is my letter to my friend, Miss Mikael. At the top of my letter, I've written the date. Then I write my greeting, Dear Miss Mikael. Next, you're going to write the body of your letter. I took my sentences that I planned from yesterday and I added more details to them to help them make sense. I still have my order words. As I read my letter to you, see if you can spot the order words. Making a dog puppet is fun. First, cut out shapes for the eyes, nose, and ears. Next, color the shapes with a crayon. Then, glue the shapes down. Last, add details to the puppet with a crayon. Your friend, Miss Rossman. Every letter ends with a closing, your friend, and then your signature, which is just your name. All right, friends, today when you are writing your instructional letters, writing how to make your animal puppet, I'm going to be looking for those order words. I am also going to be looking for those high five sentences. Does your sentence start with a capital letter? Does it have punctuation at the end? Does your sentence make sense? Did you do your best first grade spelling? And did you do your best first grade handwriting in this letter to friends? All right, first graders, have fun, and I cannot wait to read them.